Hi, my name is Braylon and these are the things I wish I knew before attending McNeese, part 1. Now, one of the first things I wish I would have known is how easy it is to make friends. Like, if you don't make any friends at McNeese, you've tried very hard to avoid people. I mean, when I started out, I was very introverted. I honestly didn't want to be bothered. But seeing people come and reach out to me and genuinely be concerned at what I'm talking about and what my major is, I just started making friends. And now, some people may say I talk a little too much. Now, one of the other things I wish I would have known before attending McNeese is how diverse it is. I think the diversity was very important for me because I was able to meet so many different diverse people. And learning and being around those people allowed me to adapt some of the things that they do, such as getting better at photography, public speaking, all these different things that I love to do now today is thanks to the diversity of McNeese. And the final thing that I wish I would have known is how active McNeese is. And to be honest, I did not know McNeese was going to be this active. Like, you never know what you're going to run into just going to class. Like, some days I just see people getting pied in the face or just somebody handing out food. I feel the campus life here is great because you never know what you're going to run into. Sometimes there's just an event happening that a friend is at, and then you go there and you're like, well, I'm doing this now. And then end up having a great time. And that's about all the time I have today for what I wish I knew before attending McNeese. Stay tuned for more parts as they will be coming soon. And until next time, go Pokes.